you eating Mr. Turtle? Eweezy. You funny girl? Are you a funny girl? Guys, you ruined my video with that noise. That's nice.
Sorry.
What are you doing? You got teeth coming in? Huh? You got teeth? Here. Here. Chew on this, baby. Here. Here you go. Here. Right here. There you go. Chew on that. Rah, rah, rah. No, you're done. Mama gets you when you're cranky. Ice cream. Hey, Lazy. Hey. Haley's high chair. It's pretty tight. Good choice. Whoa. Yay. Her poor teeth. All right. Bye-bye.